2014, our GDP per capita PPP inflation adjusted has doubled to 10,000 USDs under Modi. In 2014, inflation was 10%. Today it is 2%. In 2014, multidimensional poverty as a percentage of population was 29%. Today it's 11%. We have pulled 250 million Indians out of abject poverty in the last 10 years. In 2014, our forex was $300 billion. Today it is $700 billion. In 2014, there were 74 airports. Today there are 149. The number of cities with metros was 5. Then today it's 20. 21,000 kilometers of rail network was electrified. Then today it is 62,000 kilometers. In 2014, we had 676 universities. Today we have 1,200. In 2014, there were 350 startups. Today there are 138,000 startups. In 2014, our electronics exports was $7 billion. Today it's $23 billion. In 2014, our renewable capacity was 35 gigawatts. Today it's 181 gigawatts. In 2014, Sensex was 25,000. Today it's upwards of 81,000. In the last 11 years, we have built half the total length of the highways we had built in last 60 years previous to the last 10 years. And last year saw independent India's highest ever GST collection, $270 billion, highest ever vehicle sales, 25 million, highest ever income tax payers, 104 million, highest ever manufacturing PMI, 59.2, highest ever exports, 825 billion, highest ever jobs created, 46 million, highest ever forex reserve, 704 billion, highest ever Sensex, 85,900. If any other leader other than Modi has achieved this much in 11 years, by all means, he or she deserves to be the next prime minister. Let me just, if I have a minute, list out 11 of his greatest achievements. Number one, Operation Sindoor. Because of 4 reasons. His new doctrine, as far as Pakistan is concerned, an act of terror would be seen as an act of war, orchestrating an awe-inspiring offensive and defensive military operation, calling out once and for all Pakistan's nuclear bluff, and holding the Indus Water Treaty 1960 in abeyance. Number 2, vaccinating 1 billion Indians twice over within a year, because that saved millions of lives and restored faith in India's ability to mass mobilize sources for saving the nation's health. Number 3, 100 million LPG Ujjwala connections, because that directly saves 150,000 lives every year, as household pollution is the single largest cause of infant mortality. Number 4, 370 abrogation, because that integrated Kashmir with India and restored human and civil rights to millions of Dalits, Gurkhas, refugees, women, homosexuals. Number 5, Balakot strike, because that called out Pakistan's nuclear bluff. Number 6, 112 million Swachh Bharat toilets, because each new toilet saves the household upwards of 50,000 in health costs. Number 7, 370 million Ayushman Bharat health insurance cards, because that has slashed out of pocket expenditure, single biggest factor in pushing Indians into poverty by 27%. Number 8, 50,000 kilometers of highways, because that has directly translated to economic prosperity. Number 9, CAA, because that has corrected a long overdue historic injustice towards non-Muslims of subcontinent. Number 10, 110 million tap water connections, because that has slashed under 5 diarrheal deaths by half. And number 11, Air India privatization, because that proves God exists. The nation, Anand, under Modi is on a stunning road to prosperity. Wish him the very best on his 75th birthday.
बाबू मशाय, क्या डिलीवरी दी है बाबू मशाय.